For many Setapp users, CleanMyMac is not essential, but it isn't automatically redundant either. It depends on what you use Setapp for and what maintenance tasks you actually want automated. When CleanMyMac is redundant, you probably don't need it if you already regularly delete old files yourself. Use Maco's built-in storage tools, system settings, general storage. Uninstall apps manually and don't care about leftover support files. Are comfortable finding large files with Finder, rarely run into storage problems. Maco's already handles many maintenance tasks automatically, so a cleanup utility is more about convenience and visibility than a requirement. When CleanMyMac is useful even with Setapp, CleanMyMac earns its place if you want an easy dashboard for one-click cleanup. It can scan for system junk, caches, logs, and leftover files instead of making you hunt through folders. 2. App removal. Dragging an app to trash can leave behind preferences and support files. CleanMyMac's uninstaller helps remove associated data. 3. Finding storage hogs. Its file management tools can help identify large files, duplicates, and forgotten downloads. 4. Occasional Mac tune-up. If you maintain multiple Macs, help family members, or simply prefer automated maintenance, it can save time. The Setapp angle. If you already pay for Setapp, the question is different. Is CleanMyMac worth one of my limited attention slots? Setapp gives you access to many utilities, so adding another app only makes sense if it solves a recurring annoyance. My recommendation, for a typical Setapp subscriber, I'd keep CleanMyMac installed but use it occasionally, not as something that runs constantly. A quarterly scan, app cleanup, and storage review is usually enough for most people. The bigger Setapp value usually comes from apps you use weekly or daily. CleanMyMac is more of a nice-to-have maintenance tool unless it solves a specific problem for you.